So we're at GIE looking at some of the inverters here, and I'm over at the Honda booth, and they have the EU3000IS. This is running. It's charging the Mimo, which is their robotic lawnmower here. They've got a powering net, but I wanted to show you how noisy it was. So we're going to come right down here, point blank. Well, let's go to the noisy side, which would be the exhaust side. So this is about as noisy as it's going to get right here. And I'm going to put the microphone right there so you can hear the generator. I'm just talking to you in a normal voice. I'm not talking loud or anything. You're going to get an idea of how loud this is when in operation. Not very loud whatsoever. We've talked about this generator in the past, but now we've got a chance to actually give you an idea of how loud it is with the microphone that close to the generator. Very quiet, very powerful, 3,000 watt that will be able to run your camper, run a variety of different tools or whatever you need, and at a great price here, under $2,000. We'll put a link in the description below so you can check this out. We're at the GIE show here in 2017.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.